Welcome to X-Ray Corner. We're looking at X-rays today. So we're going to look at hips. If you have a hip problem, the hip may be worn out, and don't ever have a hip replacement until you've seen the X-ray or the scan and see how worn it is, because sometimes you can get a bit more life out of them. So if you look at this one over here, if you zoom in there, so here we've got actually a scoliosis here, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about these things, these hips. So you see there's the ball here and the socket, and the gap between the ball and the socket is the hip joint space. This one's fine. So these two are actually good. They're going to last a very long time. Now I'll pull up another one here. Oops. Right, this one, you can see, this one here is okay, but the other side is starting to wear out. You see the gap's got smaller, so that's not what we want. So this person doesn't need a hip replacement now, but they've got to really work hard on this hip, exercise it, keep it moving, and make sure it doesn't get any worse. Now we've got another one here. I'll show you another one. These all sorts of things. Now this one, we've got a fibroid here. That's something that grows in women's wombs usually, but we're not going to talk about that today. We're talking about the hip. So this one here, it's good. Look, really big joint space. This one over here, again, it's wearing out, but we still get some more life out of that. So they'll get more years, hopefully, out of that if they look after it. And then this one. So this one, both these hips are worn out. You see there's no space left, and it's bone on bone. That can be very painful and very difficult. So really, this needs to be replaced with hip replacement. So when you get to this stage, you have to do it. But if you're at the earlier stages, keep working on it, and we can probably get some more life out of your hips. Sometimes we get years out of them, sometimes not. Everyone's different. And you might wonder, why does one hip wear out sometimes and not the other one? No one's really sure. Most people are of the opinion that you've injured that hip in the past and it's kind of speeded up the wear and tear process, but no one's absolutely certain. Anyway, look after your hips, because although replacements are very good, they're the best of all the replacement joints, the best ones. You don't really want to have it until you're fairly well on in years, because they last about 25 years usually. So if you're 75, you might as well get on and have it if you need it. If you're 60, I wouldn't rush into it, because then you might, at the age of 85, be needing another one. You don't want to be doing it a second time. So think about that. Every case is different, but always get a second opinion. Make sure you're doing your best to keep your hips in good condition. Thanks for listening.